Once a product is added and annotated by the Cartify labeling system, the next step is to delve deeper into how stock management is handled within Cartify. Warehouses are facilities that each branch can utilize. In this tutorial, we will explore how to assign warehouses to a specific branch. In the Branches section, we detailed the process of adding a branch. Now, by selecting a warehouse, you can access a list of associated warehouses. Let's add a new one. As illustrated, the warehouse location should be pinned on the map. Additional details, such as the active status and capacity unit, can enhance a supermarket's ability to analyze data for a specific branch. It's providing a better overall experience. An important consideration in this section is the active status of a warehouse. It's essential to note that a branch can have only one active warehouse at a time. Based on the stock of this active warehouse, all checkout processes will be calculated. Perfect. Let's add more warehouses.